what's the motherfucking business? I'm trying to tell you, it's hard not to kill you chicken head asshole.
Wavy Family, welcome back. And for those of y'all who don't know who I am, it's your girl Wavy A here. And today we got another shoe review, y'all. You already know I've been asking for these slides for like the longest, ever since they even like first came out or first originated, and I finally was able to cop some Yeezy slides, y'all, and these are the core color, and I got these in a size 7 in men because your girl got some small, and if I was to get these in a size 6 in men, it would have been a little bit too tight. So I heard that you're supposed to go up a size, so I got it in a size 7. This particular colorway, I'll just show y'all. These particular colorway was released back in September of last year, and they re-released these back in April this year. So this is what they look like. I'm so excited. I know that y'all are like, girl, why'd you get these slides? Because like they're so cute. I feel like they are like a simple shoe to slide in. This is like a really nice colorway to go with everything. I like that it's a neutral tone, and these did go for retail last year September for $60, and back in April this year they were still $60. So without further ado, I will give a close-up to y'all with these shoes, and I'll just show you how I styled them as well. So let's get started. Okay, y'all see it? Y'all see it? I know I got a small shoe, but hey, it is my size. I promise y'all it's my size. There's the other one, but look, it's so cute. Like, these really go hard. I probably might wear these more than my actual like Crocs, you know? And that's like a huge statement for me to say, but you know, that's what it looks like on the bottom, and also the side view, as you can see. And I did get these as a size 7, as you can see here. And yeah, that's basically how they look, y'all. So give it one more spin for y'all. I know y'all like when I did a little spin. So let's get started with the styling part.
I'm just sitting around here smoking weed with my niggas. I just hope when we gone that they don't forget us. I'm just sitting around here smoking weed with my niggas. I just hope when we gone that they don't forget us.
Look, we just sitting here trying to win. Pull up to the spot, it's a flock of bears. So much smoke, need oxygen. Re-up money, that's not to spare. All gold bottles at Tox again. Standing on the couch, me and my accomplices. Pop a bottle, spot the bitch. Get the bitch, got the bitch. Streets wanna know when you dropping there. Police wanna know how you got your 6. Niggas on the side hate to watch the shit. See you on top, so they throw rocks and shit. Never was really with the talking shit. Me, I just went and got a pot to piss. Upgrade diamonds on my watch and shit. Pictures on the wall at my offices. AC coded in my Compton bitch. Talking that you don't even need a condom shit. Look, I'm really on some baller shit. On some rich nigga, I ain't gotta call you shit. On some fuck with me if you lost shit. Everybody in my circle get spoiled shit. Really started in the soil shit. Crowns on the wrist, that's royal shit. Ay.
Sitting around here smoking weed with my niggas. I just hope when we gone that they don't forget us. I'm just sitting around here smoking weed with my niggas. I just hope when we gone
check it out.
That they don't forget us.
Look, we just sitting here trying to win. Drop 20 bands, you can fly us in. Turn down deals, they gon' try again. We need a partnership, but they don't sign in here. You don't see the type of cars we in. You don't see the shows and the lines for them. You don't know the spots we residing in. Nigga, we straight, we don't, ain't no enticing there. Look at my life, my friend. I got the right to win. I put the grinding in, even on them nights when them lights was dim. When my hope was low, I found light within. I know it's ups and downs, so every loss I took, I knew to strike again. And I'll be saying a lot, that's the price of the gym. And if we live in hell, is it alright to sin? I had a goal to chase, a life to live. I try to wash my hands, put me right back in.
I'm just sitting around here smoking weed with my niggas. I just hope when we gone that they don't forget us. I'm just sitting around here smoking weed with my niggas. I just hope when gone, that they don't forget us.
What's the motherfucking business? I'm trying to tell you, it's hard not to kill you chicken head assholes talking all that motherfucking shit. But then that's all good. I done caught a few charges. I ain't scared to catch some more. You hear me, bitch? Come to my motherfucking door. Pluck your motherfucking feathers. I'm the girl about the cash. I'm the lady with the mask. I'm the one with the trigger. Watch me pull it, make it blast. I'm the one who got some niggas. I'm the one who got their back. I'm the one that call this lady gangsta, sweep you off the map. Don't you try to step to me because you feeling like a killer.
Alright, so that is it for the, styling part of this video. I really do hope that y'all enjoy me styling with the slides here. As you can see, I'm really excited about having these slides to my shoe collection, so be on the lookout. I might be wearing these more than my Crocs, so I know for some of y'all who don't like Crocs, y'all probably tired of seeing me wear Crocs, so these are going to be my new shoes for just everything almost basically. And I also will be putting these in my new shoe collection video of the year, so be on the lookout for that because I will be doing a big wide shoe collection for this year of 2020, and I'm just going to show y'all all my favorite shoes that I ever had, just new shoes that I did get within this year, so be on the lookout for that. And I will be putting a description box for all the clothes that I'm wearing here because some of the clothes I do remember where I get them from, and some of them I think some of them are just probably sold out. But I will make sure that I put down where I got all my clothes from, down to the bags, okay? Because I know some of y'all just asked me where do I get certain clothes from, so might as well put y'all on. And I hope y'all enjoy this shoe review, slide review, y'all, because I really have fun doing this. And also, happy Kwanzaa, y'all. I celebrate Kwanzaa, so hope y'all have a blessed Kwanzaa day, or week, I should say. Oh, and also, if y'all enjoyed this video, let me give it one more spin. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all give this thing a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, all of that so y'all can get more information and notifications about me doing more shoe reviews and just little styling videos with the shoes as well. So I'll see y'all in the next video, y'all.